This video covers the topic of recovering lost data from a drive that is no longer accessible and a Windows prompt appears to format the disk. I will be using ActiveET File Recovery to scan the USB device and recover data to a safe location. Once you launch the program, click on the device on the left-hand side of the screen. Select the SuperScan button to scan for partitions. You can select the file system type to scan for and also scan for files by signature. Then click the Scan button. A scan will commence and inform you once partition information has been detected. At this point, you can pause the scan to reveal the contents of any of the found partitions. The partition which is listed in the best condition and reveals files familiar to you is where you should recover from. You may perform a search for specific files you are looking for. In this case, I am looking for pictures which start with the letters IMG. Found files are listed on the right-hand side. You may also browse the file listing through the folder structure to reveal a list of files. You may select a file to preview it before recovery. A preview window will appear for your review. Once satisfied with what you would like to recover, you may select all the files to be recovered. You may select additional recovery options as required. Once the recovery completes, you will be brought to the folder containing your recovered data. At this point, your data is recovered and accessible as normal files would be. Double-clicking on an image will open the picture for viewing. You may save your scan results to avoid having to rescan in the future should you need to scan from this device again. This completes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.